Facebook, you probably want to be able to share your post into multiple groups. For example, here's a post for real estate in Florida, and let's say I wanted to share this into all of my groups in one click. So using this Chrome extension called MGSA, basically once you add it to Chrome, you see this new button that appears over here, multi-share, kind of intuitive. When you click on it, it literally takes you to the same place where you normally would be taken. And then you can, first of all, you can see check boxes over here, which basically means that you can check them and then share to those groups. But I don't recommend doing that at all. I recommend you click on sync your latest groups. And what that does is literally just load all of your groups. And then once they're all loaded, you can click on select groups. And then you can like type, for example, oh, my mic just fell, excuse me. You can type, for example, Texas, and then select all. And then you can literally share to all groups. Now this could be 50 groups, it could be 100 groups, it could be 1,000 groups. Obviously you're not supposed to use this tool to spam. This is not what this is for. This is about just doing your work for you. Having an AI Chrome extension basically do work for you. So if you're in real estate and you're not taking advantage of AI, I think this is your chance. You can share today groups, and then you select the split sharing. You have a few options over here. You can read through them. I just use Turbo because my account is really safe and I never spam, and so I don't feel any risk in doing this at human speed. So it's basically doing my sharing for me at human speed, which basically means that it's doing my work for me. Now while this is happening, as you can see, it's 1 out of 8. I could literally just like kind of do other work, like I could go and I wouldn't open a new tab, but I'd perhaps move this tab away and go to Google on a different tab. So you see it's working in the background, you can see it's 2 out of 8, but I can do other work in the meantime. So this is like a mini tutorial how to use this little nifty Chrome extension, and it just shares into groups for you. It does all of your work, sharing into your groups, and that way you basically don't have to share into groups. So this is a little sweet little video which is just explaining how to share to multiple groups. And the great thing about it as well is it has this little, it tells you what's happening, like it's looking for the group option, it's then typing in the group, and then it's finding the correct group, and then it will type your blurb, and then it will share, so it kind of tells you what's happening. One thing you should be careful of when using this is not to open another tab or not to switch tabs. If you switch tabs, then basically it stops the sharing in the middle and it can cause problems. I do recommend the opening a new window and doing your work in a different window. Alright, thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye for now.